Hello and welcome to our A9 AppConnect for AutoCAD video series. This is part 1, and in this video we'll be discussing the overview of the AppConnect module as well as explaining what we call embedded search. Now CAD drawings represent a very valuable company investment. Being able to quickly and easily retrieve and use this intellectual capital is vital to the efficiency and productivity of the company's design efforts. Organizations often created file system structures in order to house this data. However, as more users added data to the system, the sheer number of folders and files just became unmanageable. So this introduced engineering content management systems, or ECM, as well as PLM systems for process and resource planning, ERP type systems. Now each one of these repositories did a good job of organizing the data. However, because they are individual silos, a user often had to log in to multiple systems in order to access and utilize the data effectively. So what we like to do here at Alcove9 is to aggregate all of that data into a single view, and ideally keep the user inside their native application, in this case AutoCAD, and we call that embedded search. So how does this work? Let's go over to an AutoCAD session, and you'll notice that up here on the top we have an Alcove9 menu selection. And by selecting that, it gives us a panel over here where we have a search for files using Alcove9 icon. If we go ahead and select that, up here at the top, we can key in whatever query terms we want that we're looking for. Let's try an example search. We'll key in the word lighting. So we come back with multiple file types. We get Word documents, PDF files, spreadsheets, as well as, of course, AutoCAD drawings. And if we look down here at the bottom, we get multiple pages of results, as well as about 392, almost 400 values. Now we'll discuss in a later video how to narrow down the search a little bit more quickly, but let's also show that it's not just a list of different files, it's also different repositories. So in this case, this is SharePoint. But there also could have been an engineering folder share. So it could be structured or unstructured data, and all of this is again in a single aggregated view and multiple file types. Now you can highlight this, and I can right mouse select open, and if it's a Word document in this case, it'll open it up in the native application. So PowerPoint, PDFs and Acrobat, and obviously drawings because I'm inside of AutoCAD. So it's not just a search result, it's actually data that I can do something with. So let's call back. You'll see that it remembers our last query term, which was lighting. Now I also want to narrow the search down just quickly here to AutoCAD only. So I've got a selection box here. I'm going to go ahead and select that. And notice how now I'm basically filtering out on all those other Office type documentations, and I'm just looking for DWG files. So because I'm in AutoCAD, we want that ability. And let's highlight a few other things that we have here as part of our overview. So we've got some thumbnail previews which will help you visually scan quickly for the type of data that you're looking for. And then we also have a quick attribute results area. This is title block information. So we can highlight sheet numbers, who is the checker, what's the project number. So this title block information is configurable very easily for each customer. So that's our overview. Just wanted to introduce the concept, show you how we would do some searches, the fact that it came back with multiple file types and from multiple repositories. Let's return back. So this was video 1. We also have additional videos that talk about our full text search capabilities, how else we can capitalize on those search results, and some collaboration tools as well. Thank you for joining us, and for more information please visit our website or send us an email. Thank you.